Okay. Inside.
Interesting.
Especially.
Yes, the formation, the
Mites.
stalagmite. We've learned a lot from Kuya Angelo.
Kuya Angelo. Our Baquero tour guide.
Yes, our tour guide. He teaches us the formations, the rock formation. And he's very funny.
So, hindi tayo boring.
We have fun.
Yeah. So, how did you know this place?
Sa atin, friend.
French. 7
One.
wonders. On the 7.
Okay. So, did you feel that this is the kind of wonder thing?
Oh, yes.
So, what was the most amazing or
Lalagay ko to sa multiply. Ay, sa ano? Friendster natin.